Hi, hello, namaskar. Whenever you're listening, so let's start learning today about mastering the bearish continuation candlestick patterns. These patterns are basically it could be bearish hammer, it could be evening doji star, three black rows, bearish harami, twister top. All those things I have given individually. I'm just trying to consolidate these things, just see how it's happening. So let's go before going into the examples. Let's look at this disclaimer once. Consult your financial advisor if you're trying to take a serious positions in the markets and do your due diligence and understand the risk. Japanese candlesticks, I have explained this more detail in earlier videos. Go check those videos. Now coming back to the definition of the bearish continuation candlesticks. So whenever you see these kind of patterns, it could be Morobojo. Morobojo is basically it is a very fat and long one. It is very strong. Evening star is something like it's falling from the top, and you can really see what's happening. Bearish piercing, it went almost on the top on the green candle, but it pierced back. Piercing. Bearish engulfing, it engulfed all the green thing here to the top, almost like double top. Bearish harami, you think it is moving, but it didn't move the earlier candle size, so it is bearish. So three black rows, clear negative thing. And evening doji star, it is also the same thing. Here it is the star. Doji is kind of uncertainty, but there is a certainty. This is the difference between evening star and the evening doji star. Bearish hammer, one hit, market falls. The same thing is here. Let's go ahead and see what are other patterns. These are the other patterns where I just want to show you how it has happened. This is the neckline, in neckline, continuation pattern, how it is happening. These actually provides I will talk about the Hikanashi also. It actually gives you more clarity in your trend identification more than a noise. If you see here, the strength is there, and the strength technically the strength is reduced here itself, but unfortunately it didn't close above the earlier candle's high. So this is the first candle which this is the first candle, if I had to say, this is the first candle which is closed almost earlier candle's high, clearly showing there is a strength in the market, and then boom, you have seen almost like what should I say, around 1700s it moved up to, let me move this one to little this side, maybe I'll move this side, yes. So 1700s to it went almost up to 1900s. Wow, that's almost like 10% more. So this is how it is. So let's see how anatomy of a bearish continuous thing. You have seen the anatomies. I'll tell you one more time. This is kind of a doji when it is happening like this. Doji here also you see doji and it's happening. Here also you see the doji and it's falling. So anytime you see a red doji after a very long, on the top side, maybe let's talk about the bearish, see this happen and boom, it's falling. So you have to see the charts every day, at least keep 1 hour out where you can see 100 charts. When you see a chart initially per minute, do look at one chart, but once you start looking, you will easily understand how the chart is behaving. Have a checklist in front of you, have a patterns like this in front of you, take a physical printout and keep in front of you, so it will make much of difference in your trading style. Another thing I would like to add is analyzing the market, understand the prevailing trend, recent price action, volatility levels, and market sentiment. These are very, very important when you're trying to analyze the markets. And entry strategies, define the pattern, analyze the market context, and time your entry. These are also very, very important. Setting up appropriate stop levels for bearish continuous trades is also important. You don't have to say, hey, I got this trade, all good. It's not like that. You have to make sure the risk management is there. Position sizing, stop losses are very, very important. Stop loss placement and diversification of your assets is very important. You have not seen a single rich man on this planet who made all his money from a single line. So make sure you diversified your income coming from multiple streams, so that I can help you. I have a couple of courses related to the passive income and multiple streams of income. I can help you in reviewing your portfolio. I have written multiple books. You can see the links below. You can go through that. And I have a WhatsApp channel and Telegram channel. Do join there. There is a 1:10 program there. For every 1 point risk, there is a 10-point reward. That's a flagship program. If you want to join, just let me know in the comment section, or you can connect. So when you are doing this strategy, you have to have a clear-cut understanding of the charts. For every pattern here, just look at the charts, multiple charts, and see how things are happening. Then you can go ahead and take the call, because practice gives you clarity, and clarity gives you confidence. So stop doing over trading. Do not ignore the market context. Inadequate risk management, chasing the losses. Don't be in a revenge mode to make markets. You have a logic, and then you make it. So avoid these mistakes to become better in trading and sustainable. Real world example, it is not about S&P 500, it is not also about other stocks which you see, other underlying assets. You have to practice. Practice is progress, that's what I say. So practice as much as possible, so you can have a better trading history, or better trading life, free, financially free. Another thing is, I would like to say thank you for everyone. If you want more information, in the description section below you have more information. That's all for today. Thank you. Bye all.